Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video, and I just wanted to go over a watch that I had picked up on SHEIN.com where I actually got pretty lucky and it was a decent watch. I did get lucky with a couple of them, so I'm going to start reviewing each one of those individually outside of the SHEIN haul unboxing video. I just wanted to give each one of them a little bit of attention because I do feel that they are worthy of an individual review. Nice watches. Sometimes you get lucky on SHEIN, so I just wanted to go over one. I'm going to go over each one individually, but I'm going to do one right now for you guys. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I love you guys. You're great. Without you guys, there is no such thing as YouTube. Subscribers make the YouTube world go round, and I'm trying to build this channel up from the ground, and I've been doing it for about a month now, and I'm almost at 100 videos at this point. So I am working really hard to get this content out to you guys, and it's nice to see that it's being appreciated and you guys are subscribing and liking, and you're generous with those thumbs up. I really do appreciate that, and I love to see the comments. So if you guys got anything you want to say or add, or any questions that you have about any of these watches, I will definitely respond to comments. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for everybody that's subscribed so far. And if you haven't subscribed and you do like this content and you want it to keep on coming, make sure you do click on that thumbs up and subscribe and show some love on the channel so that I can keep this content coming to you. Like I said before, I'm Dave the Watchman, and I do budget-friendly reviews on sports luxury watches for the everyman. Affordable watches is what I focus on. So you won't see any $1 million watches here. You'll see $1 million homage watches here. Anything that's of good quality. I sift through the junk so you don't have to, and I'll tell you guys what the good watches are. You won't see a Rolex on this channel, but you'll see something that looks very similar to a Rolex on this channel, and it's a good quality watch. There is an actual review on this watch, this Submariner homage watch, that I will post a link to in the description. So make sure you guys stay tuned to this channel if you guys are interested in amassing a watch collection and you don't want to have to sell your house in order to do it. So without further ado, let's get into this. The watch that I'm going to review today, I did have a couple of hiccups when I ordered it from SHEIN.com, but I did end up getting lucky twice. I got unlucky once and I got lucky twice. So basically, you guys know the Rolex Submariner is probably one of the most popular watch designs out there. It's a diver watch. This is not a Rolex Submariner. This is a homage watch by the company Olevs, and it is very striking resemblance to an actual Rolex. Now, there is a company on SHEIN that is also doing homage watches, and they've done a really good job themselves. The quality is not this, but the price tag is a lot less. Nonetheless, it's a great watch. It does have the rotating bezel, and it is a nice watch. Now, the problem with this brand is I can't find this brand everywhere. And when I tried to purchase a second one on SHEIN, I actually got a knockoff of this brand. It had a different logo. I do have a video on that. But it did have a different logo, and it was a horrible replica of this watch. The subdials were actually painted on, where this one actually has the working subdials. And let's get some light on this. There you go, so that way you can see it. But this one actually has working subdials, and the one that I had purchased did not. And the logo itself, was actually a different logo. So when I had actually purchased it, it was not a good representation of the Commodore watch. That's the company that makes this one, is Commodore. I'm trying to get it focused in for you guys, but it's not really working with me today. Let's see here, maybe I change the... All right, there we go. So we got the Commodore watch. The one that I had purchased the second time was actually a knockoff of this watch, and the logo was different, and the subdials were actually painted on, and nothing moved. So very disappointing. So I figured I'd give it another shot on SHEIN, and I was pleasantly surprised to find out that I was actually able to find the black and silver version of this watch, and it is a good quality watch. Can't remember what I actually paid for this, but it was probably somewhere in the neighborhood of $15, maybe $20. I do not have any links to SHEIN. I'm not an affiliate with SHEIN. But if you are looking for a good dive watch, something close to the Submariner, you really can't beat the Olevs brand. This is the Olevs brand. It's very, very similar to an actual Rolex. Very, very nice watch, nice build quality. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about this Commandeer that I picked up for about $20 on SHEIN.com. It is a solid watch with a good watch band. It's got the regular folding clasp. Nice quality watch. I would definitely recommend it. The only thing, like I said, it's very sketchy to order on SHEIN, so I will post a link to the Olevs version of this watch below. But if you want to head over to SHEIN and take a look, type in, I don't even know if you can type it in by the Commandeer brand, but take a look at it, see what you can get it for. But guys, it's risky, because if you get one of the knockoffs like I did, then you're stuck with it. If you buy an Olevs on Amazon and you decide you don't like it, they've got a return policy. SHEIN does not. You're stuck with it at SHEIN. So I'm just showing you this watch because I got lucky with it, and maybe if you guys want to head on over and try it out, try your luck, you might get lucky too. So I got lucky twice and I got unlucky once. But very nice watch, good quality. It's got some heft to it. It's not as heavy as an Olevs. I'm pretty sure it's got a basic quartz movement inside. Nothing special. It's not an automatic. But guys, it's a nice looking watch, and nobody's going to know that you paid, you know, less than $30 for this watch. Nobody's going to know. They're going to see you wearing this, and they're just going to say, hey, that's a nice watch. I have not yet worn this one out, but I have worn the green one out, and I've gotten a few compliments on it. People like them. They're a sharp-looking watch. It's a good diver watch. It has the date, the moon phase, stopwatch on it. It's a nice watch. So you can't go wrong with it, especially for the price. Like I said before, I don't have a link to it. But head on over to SHEIN if you want to take your chances on it and see if you can pick one of these guys up. They're not as tight and good a quality as the Olevs watches, which I'm a big fan of. I'm a really big fan of these Olevs watches. I don't work for Olevs, and Olevs doesn't pay me anything, and none of these watches are sent to me for free. I'm paying my own cash for these watches, and I do this because I want to review watches, budget-friendly watches for the everyman. And that's my angle here at Dave the Watchman. I'm taking the hit on these low quality watches just so that I can tell you guys about them and show you guys what the good ones are over the bad ones. So if you found this video helpful and you want to check out this watch, head on over. I'm telling you, I've got good quality. I had good luck with the Commandeer brand two out of 3 times. So it's basically up to you guys if you want to head on over and take the chance on one of these watches. But I will post a link to an Olevs diver below, just in case you don't want to take the chance. The Olevs watch is a lot better quality than the Commandeer watch. The Commandeer is good. I would say the Olevs watch is great. You can't even compare them side by side. This one's just more finished. It's more refined. The links are, you know, just more. They're smooth. They've got nicer pins. They're easier to resize. It's a tighter tolerance on the bezel. It's a beautiful watch, and you can't go wrong with Olevs. And like I said, Amazon Prime, they've got that return policy that nobody else can beat. Nobody in the industry can beat the Amazon Prime return policy. So I will post a link to the Olevs below. And if you guys want to head on over to SHEIN and check out these Commandeer watches, they're few and far between. And like I said, just watch out for the fakes. So anyway, Dave the Watchman, like I said, I review budget-friendly watches, luxury and sports watches for the everyman. I don't believe in spending a fortune on a watch, and I don't think you need to spend a fortune on watches to look like you have a fortune. So, with that said, Thank you to all the subscribers. If you liked this, subscribe, give the thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next watch review video. Have a great day.